Good morning. This is a seminal project of the subject of virtual instrumentation from the School of Universidad Tecnológica de Altamira. My name is Juan Francisco Meza Román and I am from Group 5A of Mechatronics. Today the project is about the force cycle and how to use to fill a tank and at the same time to put visual and sound alarms. Well, first, we are going to put a for cycle here, right click and structures. Then we're going to modify here. We're going to, well, now that we have our for cycle, we use a tank, we change the values, and now with this, you can put here first the constant, in this case from 0 to 101, because it is going to start on 0. Then here we're going to add an indicator to visualize the numeric count from 0 to 100, and that's why it is going to be 101 interactions. Well, now from here we're going to join the tank. It is going to change from 0 1 and all and so to reach the 100. Then the we're going to add the comparison right here. We're going to compare the quantity from here, and the statement is that if, for example, this quantity is less than equal or less than 15, we're going to create 15. And what the thing that this program do is to turn on one LED, and we're going to put the LEDs. Well, now that we have the LEDs in high and low level, we're going to start here. We're going to join that if the condition, if the number is less or equal than 15, what will happen is that the LED of low level will turn on. Now what I am going to do is to join this of the high level with the another condition, the high level. We're going to make a comparison between the numeric value and the high, that is 85. When the tank reaches 85 here, this is going to turn on, and when it's here or less than here, more or less here, when it reaches here, the low level is going to turn on, and also it's going to sound an alarm. We're going to see that in a moment. Well, now we are going to add a time in milliseconds here to add the velocity that the tank will fill. In this case, I will put maybe 700 milliseconds. Well, now I change this, I move things in the block diagram and also here, but the principal instruction is that the numeric count is going to be increasing from 0 to 100, while this value is less than 15. The LED of low level is still turned on, and also the alarm. And when the value is greater than 85, the alarm will sound also, and also the LED will turn on of the high level. And then I am going to add the alarms with this. Right click, and then in instructors, then here in case structure. Now here, this is a case true. That means that if this is true, if this is true and this is true, what we have to do to turn on the alarm is to put in false. Now we are going to insert here, and the frequency we're going to put maybe 600 hertz. The constant false, because remember that true and true is false. So we have here, and finally the duration we're going to put for 1 second. It means that it's going to be 1000 milliseconds. Well, then now we have here to join. We're going to move some things here. And finally, for the two alarms, we add exactly the same here. Remember that we have to put here in false, because true and true is false, so the alarm can activate when the value is greater, in this case to 85, in this case when it's less than 15. And well, we have to join all the case structure to the output of the comparison in the two cases. Now we have here the frequency and the time, the time that the alarm will sound. Now here we change some values of the time to become more faster, and then to the frequency. So then you will start from here to here, you will start hearing a noise. And when the time is from here to here, you'll also hear the same noise, but with that LED, depending of if it's low level or high level, we're going to see. As you can see that there is no sound because the level is higher than the low level, but when it reaches to high, you're going to hear that sound again. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video.